Hey, it's weekend, and here's our next update. First, something important. Summer is still a few months away, but we already wanted to give you an update on our timeline sooner than later. We talked to our suppliers and manufacturers, and there will be delay, but it won't be a crazy one, and there are also very cool reasons for that. Thanks to some of you who are participating in our Facebook testing group, we actually improved some of the features of the device that are all coming to you for free. Also, I can promise you that the entire team is working non-stop to get you the device as soon as possible and most importantly, at the right quality. Okay, so what are we up to? Basically, everything is working from the electronics, mechanics, and embedded software side. And now the small details and the manufacturing start. We've been visiting a lot of our manufacturers to get ready for manufacturing and start the testing runs. Here's an example of our electronics assembly line, for example, with Felix, our industrial designer, in the picture. We also did some improvements and final touches on the appearance of the device and gave it a super nice finishing. Here you can see both the black and the silver white version. Next week, we're getting the second version of the PCB that we will optimize towards manufacturing. This week, we're starting discussions on the design of the software settings in our Facebook testing group. Once everything is set in stone, we're going to make an entire video about all the cool feature updates in detail. Okay, so what's next? Next, we're getting ready for a so-called 0 series, which is basically 50 versions of the final design. They move then on to testing, for example, for electromagnetic compatibility, which then move on to certification for CE and FCC, for example. Once that is all done, we then move on to mass manufacturing. Okay, and that's it for this week. If you have any questions, just shoot an email and we'll answer them as soon as possible. Once again, thank you so much for backing us, and we cannot wait to get you the device.